Westheimer traffic, Archer 41707, gonna do a straight in 411, touch and go, Westheimer.
You're gonna do a touch and go?
Might not be able to do a touch and go. Oh, is that it or what? And that's small.
I don't even see.
Right here, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
That little thing?
Yeah. That little thing.
A nice freaking high school.
You would be thinking about that.
What is that? Like a wrench?
I don't know what it is. Do you, Curtis?
What?
High school?
Is this thing?
No, it's Cinco Ranch right here.
Wrench. Maybe you should move out to Cinco.
Wow.
Airport.
I don't know how you get... We aren't going to do no touch and go, that's for sure. Hell, I don't know that we can even get down here. Think we got enough room?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Shit, I'm not sure, dude.
Pull down, pull down.
Pull down.
Oh.
Back thrusters.
It's a little scary.
It's all because of the power lines.
Yeah, drop it in. Drop it like it's hot.
Yeah, it was hot. we had an extra 40, 50 feet. Easy. Ooh, I didn't look that. Okay, camera